Now that you have your ad targeting set up, let me show you how to complete the ad. You go to campaigns and then you click on campaign, and then what you want to choose is the display network only, and that will be clear soon. Now you give the campaign name. In this case, I'm going to make a campaign. I'm going to retarget people to go to the Problemio, which is my home page. Problemio home page retargeting. And then here it doesn't particularly matter, because for me I'm just trying to get people back, but let's say I'm trying to get them to take action on my website. After you choose your marketing objective, I like to choose the countries that I want to target. For me it's United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada in my case, because they are largely English-speaking countries. And then you want to set your budget per day. I think I'm going to go with $2 per day. And I'm going to say save and continue. The maximum bid, let's say 25 cents. And the landing page that I want people to go to is the home page. Now choosing how to target your ads. Obviously, we are doing remarketing. So we're going to do remarketing. And here is the thing. Select a category. And we're going to choose remarketing lists. And in the remarketing lists, we're going to get people back, people who already visited. So Problemio.com visitors, I want these guys. I chose them, and then I'm saying save and continue, and this is where you get to make the display ad. Now here's the two things. You see on the right side, you can have the ad be like this, and you can tell what you can tell it that you can XYZ, right? So you can see how the ad will change depending on what you write, and you can create your own ad based on this text that they give you. Or this is if you don't have a good image, you can just have this ad and it will go everywhere. See, here's the thing, everywhere these people who visited your site will go, on any page online except for Facebook or something like that, almost every page that has Google Ads displaying, your ad will follow them around. But in my case, I wanted to do something with like a image ad, because the image ad has this power to be visual and be visually recognizable. So what I did is I created an image that I'm going to use, and this image, you might see it here. It has the same image that I have on my website. You can take a look. So what I did is kind of consistent. You see that? It's very consistent, and because of that, people are going to sort of remember. And here I have Problemio.com books and online courses for entrepreneurs, and I'm gonna Problemio homepage ad, and I'm going to say save, and then I'm gonna say go to my campaign, and I'm set. So I've said this, it's going to go through the AdWords processing. They're going to approve it shortly, hopefully, and that's it. That's pretty much how you set the campaign. So now, from now on, whenever somebody visits my site and leaves, I'm going to have my ad trail them for 30 days all over the internet and retarget them and hopefully get them back to my website.